not saying I have a good reason why I hate this. I just do.
What?
I'm intrigued. Do you dip Oreos in milk? I don't. I've never tried
I mean, it's good.
Why?
But, like, I don't normally just go out of my way to get milk.
Oh, it's an Oreo. Oh, dude, if you had to put... Okay. Okay.
They totally did this because of you.
Dude, they totally trolled you.
All right. I'm done.
Why do you hate Pringles?
They're not good.
This is a great idea.
Why have they not made a rainbow color marker? Well, this is how you do it, boys.
That's a smart thing to
That
do.
looks like a bath.
A what bath?
Not bath. Take that out.
How do all those colors together make black?
I don't know.
Yeah.
This is a classic personality disorder. All colorful and happy at first, then it gets all real dark. When life gives you lemons, don't insult it by using the lemons in this hack.
Lemon citrus.
Yummy. It's a lemon. I pull out the lemon and I no eat the lemon. I take the lemon peel and I take the syringe and I cut the syringe.
Cutting.
After I cut the syringe, I stick into lemon. Then I put syringe back in and then I pop out.
Pull in. Pop out. Dude, you guys are awesome.
Nice.
Wow.
He has anger issues.
Anger issues. Calm
Don't
down.
make fun of it.
Matz.
Matz for tots.
I love saying Matz.
Matz.
Mom, get the Matz juice.
Mom, get the Matz.
Damn.
Don't get
juice.
the Minute Maid, get the Matz.
Oh, man. How are we going to open it now?
He's gonna light it on fire.
Dude, you're so clever.
Oh my goodness.
He's gonna hit it with a bat.
He's gonna light it on fire more and then hit it with a bat. What are they doing?
Come on, where's the bat?
Flame on.
Where's my super suit?
Different movies.
I know.
Oh.
Hey, it worked actually.
That doesn't even look like apple
You know when you
juice.
get hot apple cider at Starbucks? This is how it's made.
Here's a reenactment of what my girlfriend did when she realized I haven't upgraded to a Keurig.
Put the coffee in the pot and you got a coffee pot.
He's
but
having a
it
hard
ain't
time
working.
with it.
You gotta plug it in, dummy.
You
What
just
else
gotta
is
hit
he
it with
gonna
the
do?
plate.
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Destroyed. Nice.
The inner workings of a woman.
You could never understand the inner mechanisms of my mind.
Harvard research shows us that the harder you toss a salad, the better it tastes. So this salad should taste amazing.
Ooh, get some of that good salad.
Look at that good old lettuceberg ball.
They're gonna cut their hand off.
I'm just waiting for it.
Oh my gosh.
Did you really catch that in the bowl?
What is that?
Oh, those are those like things they put on top of the salad. I forget what they're called.
Bacon bits?
I guess so, but it was like the brown ones too.
Croutons.
This dude's got stuff all over him. Oh my. Oh, it broke the fan.
Wow.
Yay, no more fan hacks. Dude, wait, was it still on?
Yeah.
And he just was like fixing it like that?
Yeah,
And he was just like,
That's dangerous. They didn't even unplug it to fix it.
these guys are smarties.
Here's the perfect hors d'oeuvre
Hors d'oeuvre.
for your kid's next birthday party.
Flex Seal Tide Pods.
God, another great one.
Wow, that meme was awesome way back in like 2015.
It's like pizza rolls.
Blue pizza rolls. Did you know they thought this was funny? They were like, haha, we're gonna do Tide Pods, guys.
The
aren't you
ultimate meme.
excited? I think the idea here is there was no true way to cook your Tide Pods before.
Or maybe the idea was to just light Tide Pods on fire. Did you ever think about that one?
No.
Oh, there you go.
I don't think. I just,
just
do.
say.
Another Mountain Dew, but this one's diet.
He's being healthy now. All right, I'm interested.
This looks like it could
How
be
many popsicles do these
Dude,
guys
this
eat?
is cool. This is cool. This is like when people make like grills out of those barrels. This
Yeah.
is cool.
This is a barrel grill. Bear Grill? Is that
Bear
where he got his
Grylls.
name from?
Bear Grylls.
Dude, please. You could have put 2 lumps of charcoal in there.
Zippo. Where's the rotisserie at?
Oh, this is so dope.
At what point have you reached in your life where you're cooking a hot dog with candles? Like, seriously, what is your story at this point?
Ta-da.
Squishy Bear loves you. Make sure he never forgets that with this fun memory hack.
Oh, he's making it hard for his girlfriend.
Or his cat. Or dog.
He's not
Special.
Shane Dawson. He doesn't like his cat.
That's a love bear.
Is that like a Play-Doh thing?
He's doing surgery.
Oh, no. He's going to brand it. Oh, he's going to make it into a love bear. You know how in anime, there's always those really weird, like, girls that are like, would you die for me and stuff like that?
Yeah.
What if a girl was like, would you brand a love heart into your arm for me? Would you do it?
No.
What if she was really hot?
Nope. No.
What if her parents were out of town that weekend?
What?
No.
No. What does
Dude,
that
your
even
eyes
have to
are,
do
like,
with anything?
stupid.
Because that means you can go over there.
Boy, I can get it wherever.
And you guys can study together.
Boy, I can get knowledge wherever
Let me see
I
your
want.
eyes.
This is what I see in my head when the waiter asks, is Pepsi okay?
Flex Seal Pepsi.
In the last episode, we found out that Pepsi owns Gatorade, but does it own fire?
Ooh, I fall apart.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Let's
my
see.
goodness.
Whoa.
She's hot, baby.
Oh, Oh, it's squirting.
Leakage.
Don't y'all set my Pepsi on fire now.
Ew.
Oh, don't tell me he's gonna drink that. The other guy would drink that, noob.
Oh, 3, 2, 1. Guy. The Rawlings, great selection.
Yeah, personally, that's my favorite bat to bash watermelons in.
You mean Pepsi?
And Pepsi. I like to just bash things with Rawlings. That berry is wow. Look how wild that berry is.
Wow, thing.
You made my copyright sing.
So no Skittles on this?
I guess, yeah, I was about to say you put all of them on top and then didn't.
Oh, they're for decoration. Sacrifice the Skittles to the Lord.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Wow, fantastic.
Wow, look at that. Molten Skittles.
Scrumptious.
Scrumdiddlyumptious.
It looks like a California candy forest.
Wait, why are they starting to be more extra on camera now?
I don't know.
They think they're funny? Well, they not.
Here, we're going to show you the best way to apply body powder in the case of extreme chafing.
Oh, look at me. I'm a crazy boy. I'm putting on the body powder.
Gold Bond is better.
Ew,
I've got
my buttocks.
My bunghole needs the body powder.
It's medicated.
What is it medicated with?
What do you think,
With
Chris?
weight? And it still works, but even better. More comes out.
It looks like flour.
That dude needs some lotion. He needs
Kami
some
Kami.
lotion.
Donkey Kong ground pound. That's in Smash.
Was it his down B?
Yeah, it kind of sucks though if you're against a artillery person.
Look at his beads.
Oh, I'm rapping.
He's throwing
hitting
it
the
down.
Ooh.
Hit it with it, boom, boom.
Got your Mardi Gras beads ready, but nobody to throw them to? Meet your friend Fan.
Oh no, not his chain. No.
Meep. This is the bead noises. Me.
That did nothing.
Because this is real gold and real ruby.
Oh yeah,
and
those are real beads.
Throw it all in there.
Do it.
Yeah.
There it is.
Can we get some Trippy Red reference in there? What a gangster.
Wow.
Hit him with that pinwall. I wonder.
What their trash looks like.
No, I was gonna say I wonder if it's Pringles, and it is. I was right.
No, those are wavy chips.
They just have
Is
those
this how you
lines
like
on
keep your leftovers? Just blend them together?
Ooh, a hot dog. That looks like a fun party. Dude, you go over to somebody's birthday party, that's what they have. All
I
those
know,
things.
right?
Not even my brother could pay me to drink that.
That's so good. Trash.
This is a great way to take out the trash.
Take out the papers and the trash.
Hey.
Or you don't get no spending cash. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yakety yak. Don't talk back.
Look at that awesome shirt. That's an awesome shirt.
They are jamming in the background.
Yeah. You guys can't hear it because copyright, but they are jamming out.
The FDA says 79,000 cases of salmonella are caused by undercooked eggs every year. Don't be a statistic with this simple hack.
I like this idea. I might use this when I get
Oh,
home.
this is smart.
Yeah.
Finally, a good hack.
We can actually use this. Oh, wait. No.
Never mind. And here we go
Round
again.
2.
Beat the egg first and make it scrambled.
There you go. Ew.
That's actually...
Yes. Very good egg. Yes.
Yum.
How's the Smithsonian egg?
Smithsonian.
The Smithsonian egg.
What kind of fruit is that? It looks like a watermelon with osteoporosis.
Wait,
What is that?
Hold on.
Is that a durian?
That's not how you...
Okay, this guy is clearly
What is
smart.
he doing?
Nothing's working. He's down, out for the count. But he's got a plate.
What is that? What is this foreign fruit?
There you go. It's
Papaya.
Is that what that is?
I think
It's a papaya.
you're in this fruit.
Yeah, I guess
That's
it is.
right.
I think you just said something random and got lucky.
Nah, man. I've played years and years of Fruit Ninja.
Too bad that's not in the game.
Need something to do with the pin you accidentally walked off with? Have too many matches? Don't like eggs? Do you have mesothelioma? If you answered yes to more than one of these, then I have the perfect hack for you.
Tiny cannon.
Isn't that what they called you in high school?
No, sir. They called me. They didn't call me. No one ever called me back. All right, let's see what's gonna happen here.
What is he doing?
What?
Ooh.
Egg.
Ooh.
What the
What?
freak?
Why did that work so well?
Dang.
That's insane.
Dude, that was crazy.
Oh my gosh. That was insane.
That was cool.
You know what?
was
Try
all
this.
props.
Just kidding. Don't try that.
I'm gonna try it.
Love bubblegum but hate chewing gum? Let the blender do the work and claim the reward.
Oh my god, that gum.
I love this
Literally.
gum.
I used to go to the Piggly Wiggly in Grifton and eat that gum.
This gum is so underrated. Wait, who's that on a shirt?
Albert Einstein.
That's what I thought.
I've never been a
Boy
Steinmeier.
got a long nose.
My sister got in trouble for stealing that gum when she was a kid.
I never got caught for stealing.
Did you steal a lot?
Not a lot.
He stole a lot.
Oh.
I was a broke kid. good. I'm sorry.
You know what would be good? They should do this with Starburst and Mountain Dew, because what's the best flavor is put a Starburst in your mouth and then drink Mountain Dew. It tastes so good.
Really?
Yeah,
I've never tried it.
it's really good. Pink Starburst, Mountain Dew.
Eat it. Oh.
Oh, God.
Eat it.
That's a big wad.
Looks like a tongue.
It does. Oh, my God. I'm dying. This is dedication to life hacks. I'm having an allergic reaction and I'm doing them. Oreos.
Dude, you know they make like quadruple stuff now?
You know, double stuff is only a 1.5% or extra stuff or whatever. I don't know. I can't talk right now.
Well,
I'm
this is how
dying.
you make a super stuff Oreo.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. You just need 1 ammonium magnet and 4 sacks of Oreos.
Look at it.
Look it up. Look at that. Oh,
Yeah. Ooh. Smash that Oreo.
oh, smash that Oreo. Oh, smash that Oreo.
Ooh. 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 Ooh.
The fact that he made an Oreo that big and didn't eat it really disturbs me.
I feel like that would be
Oreo.
a good dance move. Smashing that Oreo. Ooh, smash that Oreo. Ooh.
Hey.
You couldn't see it, but I was dancing.
It was hard to look at.
Here's how to get the hottest of Hot Pockets.
Everyone knows you can't cook a Hot Pocket all the way in the microwave because it sucks. It literally is always cold in one specific spot. And
Yeah,
I
and
hate it.
like the outside melts your mouth and the inside is
It's
like,
like cold.
yeah, it's like ice cube.
Here's how you cook it evenly.
This is how they get their powers in the Fire Nation. They sacrifice Hot Pockets and they
Yes.
eat them burnt. Dude, someone should make like porridge. Is that still a thing?
Porridge?
Oatmeal is porridge.
porridge used
There's
to
got to
be
be some
anything.
difference.
It used to be oatmeal with anything. That's porridge.
Oatmeal with different stuff in it?
Just anything leftovers, yeah.
What?
Porridge and oatmeal, the same thing.
Oatmeal is a type of porridge, and the two terms are often used interchangeably, but not all porridge is made from oats. A porridge is a hot cereal. They can be made from a variety of grains, vegetables, or even some legumes.
Well, I retract my statement. I guess I was wrong.
You were wrong.
So wrong.
Let's say there are too many cups on your kitchen table and you need them off now.
All right, this better be good. What the heck?
Does this happen
Wow,
often?
nice. No, this is the first time this has ever happened. Oh, this is interesting.
Oh, that looked pretty cool for some
Yeah, it
reason.
did. The smoke and stuff?
Yeah.
Ooh. Of course, you got to use this splurge.
Oh, they're using that canned air to dry.
Nice.
Wow.
All right, let's see it work.
Ooh.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
It's not bad.
It works a little bit.
You gotta like get the air pressurized.
If you use the air compressor,
You know
though,
when you pee and you have a little bit left? That's
Yeah.
what this reminds me of.
Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. We upload regularly. Subscribe button is right there. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I see you looking at it. No, do not walk away. Do not walk away. Hit that like button and the subscribe button. Don't. I see you. Hit it. There we go.